Good morning.
Please introduce yourself.
I'm Prashant Bahel. I'm the regional head Western India and the head Mumbai branch for Pavilion Interiors India Private Limited. I've
So,
been into this industry for the last 35 years, work at various capacities and various levels in multinationals, luxury sector, associations and apex industry board.
what are the current trends in the exhibition industry and how do you see its future evolving?
Exhibitions has always been a place of networking. I would say not only 30 years ago, 50 years ago, even thousands of years ago, hundreds of years ago. If you look in with exhibitions or events, this has always brought people together. Now, with the technological advancements, with the whole lot of new sectors emerging, the current sectors which are already existing, enhancement and growth is the way which people look in with connecting with people not only within the region but outside the region. And as we saw a whole lot of technology coming in, the way people have started, interacting not only personally, even through various mediums, but exhibition events and any form which makes one-to-one interaction will always be there, and it will never go off. There are a lot of technological aspects which is important, and there are a lot of reasons people want to meet because it gives an immediate connection. It makes them understand the body languages, the requirements, the eye connects when we look in with various forms of connecting, in the sense that when we have to increase our business. So I think with the current trend, technology is going to play a dominant role. The venues coming up, high class, top class venues, whole lot of organizers, a new generation coming up, becoming organizer entrepreneurs, and I think this is actually helping the industry grow and take to the next level.
How do you see IIA's role in shaping and supporting the growth of the industry?
Well, I'm very glad. I'm very happy that II has, is putting in lots of efforts. Today, things have started changing thanks to the efforts and the people at the helm of affairs. They are working day in and day out. I would think very hard to make things work in our favor. The industry, which is doing well, but with the efforts of I would say they have made it reach to the next level. When I visit a lot of forums or a lot of seminars and a lot of programs organized by IEIA and the industry coming together, I think they have put in all the efforts. The industry is coming together, and the people who are working, who have conceptualized certain concepts. Had II not been into the forefront, I think things wouldn't have been as easy and what it is today.
So, what sectors in India are emerging as the next big opportunities?
Any sector which gives the growth of the country, I would say pharma, I would say tourism, food and machinery. Anything which relates to manufacturing, IT, technology. All these sectors are emerging, and this is what the the present generation and the Gen Z would like to get more involved with, and this is really helping to understand why we should look in with more and more sectors, new emerging sectors people may not have thought of, but probably today tourism, as we say, it helps the economy grow, and that is with a top class venues coming in, and the number is only growing. Be happy that today we have everything also things related to the pets, our food like friends. When this sector is emerging, tourism has always been in the forefront. Pharma sector has always been the sector which people look forward to. Tourism, as I again why I mentioned tourism, because that brings people together from various places. Machinery sector, you know, all these are emerging because I don't see India not looking at any sector. India is a land of opportunity. and any sector that comes in, and a lot of new sectors which will probably coming in, will always keep on growing.
How are tier 2 and tier 3 cities stepping up in hosting large scale MICE events?
I would say that's the place now to be in, because people today have an opportunity to set up their businesses in tier 2 and tier 3. As I always say, with newness coming in, uh, knowledge sharing through various forums, venues being set up, it has given a new dimension, a new thought. Technology has always played, will always play a dominant role. And I think if any person wants to set up businesses, now he cannot neglect the tier 2, tier 3 cities, because that is the place which will have exponential growth. And it also becomes easy, and good for the nation, wherein every city or every district or every state or any other place which people may not be in a mood to move out of the region, things are being available at the doorstep.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much.